Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change social share image on Wix. So let's get started. So as you can see right now, here is the social bar right here. So just click on the set social links. Then once you have done that, you should be able to see these icons right here. So for example, you want to change the icon for Pinterest right here. So just click on delete right here first. And click on add icon. And then from the option right here, you should be able to just search in here for Pinterest. So let's search in here for Pinterest. And then once you're searching that, you should be able to see here some icons that you can use. So for example, you want to use this one. So just click on this one, click on add to gallery. Then as you can see, you can actually move this or actually rearrange it like that. If you don't want to delete that, you can also just click on the replace icon right here. Then you can add a link for your social page. Once you have clicked on done, as you can see, it will be changed also right here, and you are now free to save and publish this on your site. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change social share icon on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.